This is Twit.
I wasn't here last year, but one of the big stories of CES last year was Royole that before Galaxy did their Fold, they did the first folding screen phone. So you would carry this in your pocket, and that would be your phone screen.
Yeah.
And then when you decide you want to
Use a tablet, then you get a tablet.
It's plasticky, but it doesn't feel cheap, you know? Now, this would be one way to watch yourself some movies while you're cooking dinner or something in the kitchen. Put a nice little smart speaker with a curved display. We just saw the FlexPai, but now we're over here at the Huawei booth, and we have their folding phones, probably the best phone that we're not going to get in the US. This feels so good. At first appearance, I was a little concerned about this notch, but that folds up perfectly with it and feels just like any other standard phone. But then you were showing off some other features from a photography standpoint.
Yeah, so there's actually a couple features. You can adjust how much to focus on.
Oh, look at that depth of field. If this were being sold in the US, how much would this be in the US?
Well, we don't have a price point in US dollars. However, just from what I've heard, it's around 15,000 yen in China, so it may translate to about $1,500.
Okay.
So, but this is not an accurate number.
I would assume maybe $2,000.
Yeah.
About 2,000.
Yeah.
This is nice.
So, of course, you can get these on Amazon, but they're not available to the U.S. market.
Right, not available here.
Also, when you shut it, and you shut it and you're in camera mode,
okay,
you can even add the split screen. So now,
split screen.
When you're taking a photo of me, I can see myself in the camera to readjust
so you
how
can properly frame.
Yeah, get my frame right, so I can get in there.
So now, if I wanted to take a picture, a selfie, boy, look at that handsome gentleman right there.
Of course, Samsung's also here with the Fold, but because the Fold 2 is coming out, we think in just a couple of weeks, this is kind of last year's model.